Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me styling and molding my hair. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly from start to finish how I mold my hair. So first thing first, I'm going to be going in and I already deep conditioned my hair. I used the olive oil conditioner and I've been using it for a while now and I actually love the product. It keeps it oily and I really don't use too much product in my hair. First thing first, I'm going to be going in and using the olive oil moisturizing hair lotion. It got a lot of oils in here, so as you guys know, I already told you guys I do not like using a lot of oil product in my hair. So my hair is already like oily anyway, especially with my skin being super oily. After I deep condition my hair, I will go in and use my moisturizing lotion. So I'm gonna go in and use my olive oil moisturizer. It smells super good. I like to go in and use my Eben New York foaming lotion, and this is something that I love. I've been using this for a while. Kind of fell in love with this because I was using this on my wigs, my wet and wavy wigs. You know how different types of foaming lotion is very hard. This is not hard at all. It just keeps the shine and it just, you know, gets the job done. It's very silky and soft on the hair, especially when I comb my hair out, or like if I'm doing my waves or something like that. It is not like hard, but it dries up very fast. So once I put it in, it dries up super fast, and that's just something that I like. I'm gonna go in and put this all over my head, like I'm soaking my hair, like washing, deep conditioning my hair. So I want to get it all over my head. I like to just part my hair while I'm, you know, molding my hair down. With me, I like to just get it a little bit of a style in my hair, so just in case I don't want to, like, you know, go nowhere with just random, especially like if I'm like molding it completely down and I don't want any type of stuff sticking out. I like to go in and just comb it so it won't have any type of lumps in there. But I think I want to wave this part and then wave the sides, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Not like very big. It was not that hard. Like when I was doing this at first, I kind of just feel like it was hard, and I really wanted to try to do like me some body waves in this hair, especially with my own hair. But when I was in school, I used to kind of feel like, dang, I wanted to do this. I always wanted to do this on my original hair, like especially with the body waves, the big body waves going like this. I always like to keep my part like on my right hand side because I write with my right hand, so that's just something I always like keep my parts on. So I like to get this as moist as possible because especially if I'm going in and waving my hair, I like to have it moist and not dry because it don't give it that body and that texture that you want, especially if you're going in and just trying to wave your hair. It just gives you that loose type of thing going on. But with me, I'm gonna go in and just wave this part. Like, you want your stuff to be close together, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I probably just keep it like this, like once I like mold my hair down and put my strips on my hair. I probably don't do anything to this, just mold it down and put my strips on, put my makeup on, and that's probably about it. Because I kind of just feel like it's pretty like this, like probably like comb it out just a little bit. That's probably what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna go in and put my wrapping strips on my hair. I like to use the black wrapping strips because I kind of just feel like with the white ones, it tends to like tear easy and I don't like them. So I don't add any type of wrapping strips up at the top because I kind of just want it to air out super fast. So I don't put anything up here. I just usually like wrap the bottom just so it can lay down, and that's it. Now this probably will take like 20 minutes to just blow dry. So I'll probably just curl like in the back and just leave some little curls in there. I don't want to do too much. I'm not gonna put that much in my hair because I don't want to make it hard. I still want to make it like, you know, soft and not flaky. So I really want to go in and put some on my hand so that I can lay the back down. This is the finished look. If you guys like this look, make sure you guys thumbs up the video, and also make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel. I'll talk to you guys in another video.